Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Confirm available space and connect your external drive or NAS so Windows can write. Open Settings, type Backup to find file history. Alternatively, open Control Panel for system image. Choose the destination drive and give Windows permission to use it. Once done, pick File History for user files or system image to capture everything. Make sure to label the drive so you avoid writing to the wrong disk. This prevents accidental data loss and speeds the process. You now configure details. Open File History or Backup and Restore and select the folders and libraries to save. If you need a full OS restore, enable System Image and include System Reserved partitions. Set a schedule, daily is typical, and a retention policy so older versions are purged automatically. Once selections are made, click Run Now or Save Settings. Windows will start creating the first snapshot. Keep an eye on estimated time. Large drives take longer, and you finish by verifying the backup. Open the backup destination, browse saved files, and restore a single file to confirm data integrity. Then create a recovery USB drive from Control Panel so you can boot and restore a system image if needed. Make sure to record your Windows edition and product key for reactivation. If something goes wrong, errors, failed jobs, check Event Viewer for codes, rerun the backup after addressing hardware or permission issues, and retry until verification succeeds.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.